Hello friends, hopefully everyone is fine. As you can see, I have 105 AMF token and 116 AMF token, which is capable of being to convertible. So to convert this 116 AMF token to add it to the main balance, and we need to click on this AMF balance. So let's click on it. So I have my wallet address here, and on the right side there is a drop down menu. Let's click on it. So here we have the option convert. Let's click on this. So I need to convert my points into AMF token. So let's click on max. As you can see, it has added the 116 AMF tokens, which is convertible. I need to click on this checkbox. Let's click on convert. Okay, the conversion has been done. As you can see, my balance has increased to 221. So refresh the page. Now a convertible token is gone, and my total balance is showing, and an extra statement line has been added to the history. So thank you guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.